Airdopes 131. Wireless earbuds with up to 60 hours playback, 13mm drivers, IWP technology, 650 mAh charging case. Boat Airdopes 131 wireless earbuds. Sleek, comfortable, stylish, and a splash of incredible colors. Bring alive your favorite sounds with these true wireless earbuds equipped with 13mm drivers for the magical Boat signature sound. Designed for supreme ease with Insta-Wake N, pair technology that auto-connects the moment it's out of the case and Type-C charging. Choose earbuds to drown all the sounds you don't need and live every moment. With a battery capacity of 40 mAh for each earbud, indulge in a blissful audio experience for up to 3 hours in a go. Tap into instant wireless functionality with optimum Bluetooth V5.0.